Hello dear student, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English and student, today I am going to explain how to complete your notebooks. So student, for that you all take out your SW copy and start the writing on your SW copy. So first of all you have to mention chapter 11 and the name of chapter 11 is Minu and Kitty. You have also write the name of chapter 11 and you have to mention CW or date or SW or date in which notebook you have to write. And after that there is a first exercise A. In exercise A there is a question, tick the sentences that are true. So student, here you can see there are two options and you have to choose the correct one. And after that you have to tick the circle. So here at first, Minu was a big girl and Minu was a little girl. So student, now tell me which one is correct, that Minu was a big girl or Minu was a little girl. You know that the correct option? Yes, it is Minu was a little girl. So we have to take the option B. After that, next is a kitty was a little kitten. A kitty was a little hen. So student, now tell me who was Kitty? You know that? Yes, Kitty was a little kitten. So we have to pick the option A. Okay. After that come to the next. Next in number 3 you can see Kitty had milk in a bowl and Kitty had milk in a cup. So student, now tell me, you have learned that Minu always gave milk to Kitty in a bowl. So here are two options, that bowl and cup. Bowl or cup, so which one is correct? So you know that Minu gave milk to Kitty in a bowl. So option A is correct. So we have to take option A. Okay. After that, next number 4. There is a Minu stood on a bed and Minu stood on a stool. So which one is correct? Tell me. So here is, we know that Minu stood on a stool. So we have to take option B. Okay student. Now come to the next number 5. In number 5, Minu hugged Kitty or Minu hugged Mummy. Which one is correct? So option A is correct. So we have to take option A. Okay. After completing exercise A, come to the next. Next is exercise B. In exercise B, there is a question, read the sentence and answer this question. Okay, read the sentence and answer this question. So we have to read the sentence and after that we write the answer. Okay, so there is a sentence, there you are on top of the cupboard. There you are on top of the cupboard. So student, tell me, there is a question, who said these words? So we know that these words said by Minu. So we have to write Minu. And what is the spelling of Minu? M-I-N-O-O, Minu. After that, next question is, who was on top of the cupboard? So student, now tell me who was on top of the cupboard. So we all know that Kitty was on top of the cupboard. So we have to write Kitty. And what is the spelling of Kitty? K-I-T-T-Y, Kitty. Okay. After that, come to the next. So we have completing exercise A and B. So come to the next. Next exercise is exercise C. In exercise C, there is a answer these questions. So student, we have to write the question answer one by one. So in first question is, what did Minu have? So student, tell me, what did Minu have? You know that? Yes, Minu had a little kitten. So we have to write Minu had a little kitten. So what is the spelling of Minu? M-I-N-O-O, Minu. H-A-D had a L-I-T-T-L-E, little, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Minu had a little kitten. Come to the next question. What did Minu give Kitty in a bowl? So we know that Minu always gave milk to Kitty in a bowl. So we have to write M-I-N-O-O, Minu. A-L-W-A-Y-S, always. G-A-V-E, gave. M-I-L-K, milk. T-O-2, K-I-T-T-Y, kitty. I-N-N-A-B-O-W-L, bowl. Minu always gave milk to Kitty in a bowl. Now come to the next question, question number 3. In question number 3, there is a question, where did Minu look for kitty? Write T for true and M for false. So student, we have to write T for true and F for false to the correct sentence. Okay. So here is first, under the bed. So now tell me, it is true or false? So it is true. So we have to write T. Next is in the bowl. It is false. So we have to write F. In C, inside the cloth basket. It is true. And next is behind the door. So Minu look for kitty behind the cupboard, not the door. It is false. So we have to write F. Okay student. Now come to the next question. Next is number 4. In number 4, where did Minu find kitty? So tell me, where did Minu find the kitty? So Minu found kitty on top of the cupboard. So let's write the answer. So we have to write M-I-N-O-O Minu, F-O-U-N-D found, K-I-T-T-Y kitty, O-N on, T-U-P top, O-F off, T-H-E the, C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D cupboard. Minu found kitty on top of the cupboard. Like this we have to complete exercise A, B, C in a good handwriting. Okay student. After that come to the next exercise E. In exercise E, match the words in the 2 columns to make new words. Student, we have to match this given word and after that we have to make a new words. Okay. So first you can see there is a first word is cup. So we have to match cup with board. Cup with board. And it will be cupboard. Cupboard. Okay. It will be cupboard. And next bed. So we have to match bed with room. So it will be bedroom. Okay. So what the spelling of bedroom? B-E-D bed, R-O-O-M room. Bedroom. After that third. In third there is a sun. So we have to match sun with light. Sun with light. So it becomes sunlight. So what the spelling of sunlight? S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T light. Sunlight. After that fourth word is butter. So we have to match butter with fly. So it becomes butterfly. What the spelling of butterfly? B-U-T-T-E-R butter, F-L-Y fly. Butterfly. Come to the next last is number 5, play. So we have to match play with ground. Play with ground. So what the spelling of playground? P-L-A-Y play, G-R-O-U-N-D ground. Playground. So the word becomes bedroom, butterfly, cupboard, playground and sunlight. Okay student, like this we have to complete exercise E in our notebooks. After that come to the next. In exercise F, there is a spelling and we have to check the correct spelling. Okay. So in this exercise, take the correct spelling. So student, here are some spelling and we have to choose the correct one. Okay. Here is 2 option and we have to choose the correct option. So first there is a spelling of kitten. So we know that the spelling of kitten is K-I-T-T-E-N kitten. So we have to take the spelling of kitten and after that spelling of cupboard. So what the spelling of cupboard? C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D cupboard. So we have to take the correct of spelling. After that third, what the spelling of basket? So the spelling of basket is B-A-S-K-E-T basket. So we have to take the correct. And after that fourth, in fourth there is a spelling of naughty. So here are 2 examples. N-A-U-G-S-T-Y naughty and N-O-T-T-Y naughty. So which one is correct? So N-A-U-G-S-T-Y naughty is correct. So we have to take the correct option. After that fifth is bowl. What the correct spelling of bowl? B-O-W-L or B-O-L. So B-O-W-L is correct. So we have to take the spelling of bowl. Number 6, there is a spelling of stool. So what's the correct spelling of stool? So it is S-T-O-O-L stool. Okay, so we have to take the correct one. So student, like this we have to complete notebook with a good handwriting. I hope is that clear to you how to complete your notebook in a good handwriting. Okay student, so till then you have to keep practice of your study and complete your homework copy with a good handwriting, and you have also learned these exercises. Okay student, thank you.